Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by securing power and a reliable connection. Make sure battery is at least 50% or the device is on main power. Once done, connect with the original USB cable or a direct UART adapter and avoid hubs because they interfere. Next, put the device into service or bootloader mode using the manufacturer key combo. You may need volume down plus power or a specific test point. Keep the model and IMEI visible so the software selects correct firmware. You now launch the official or trusted service utility and select the exact model and detected COM port so the tool targets the right hardware. Before making changes, back up EFS and NV partitions and make a full NAND dump. This preserves IMEI and network settings. Then run the manufacturer mode clear or unlock operation. Watch the logs for stages like auth, erase, and write. If authentication fails, retry with alternate drivers or reflash the loader component first. To finish, reboot the device to normal mode and verify the bootloader is locked or unlocked as intended and that radio and IMEI show correctly. If the network or IMEI are missing, restore your earlier EFS/NV backup and reboot again. This often returns connectivity. Make sure to test calls, data, and sensors. If the device remains in manufacture or unlock mode, reflash the full stock firmware image. Then repeat the unlock procedure using the tool's authorized sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.